Saren, let's show Mommy how well you can eat. Come on, she wants to sing. Ready? Ready? Here it comes. Now how? Come on. You can do it. You can't hide. Saren, how am I supposed to feed you when you're like this? Here. There you go. Very good. Very good. Let's try this one. Oh, you're going to do it now. After the initial shock. Okay. Now. There you go. Coming in. Hey. Is it that big yet? Come on. Come on. Hey, Saren. Saren, look at me. Ready? Come on. Very good. Alrighty. Progress. Very good. Okie dokie. Mommy's gonna get mad. Come on. Come on. Hey, can you... Let's cooperate just a little bit. It's good. Come on. Come on. Come on. You can do it. Oh. It's good. Okay. Good. Is this normal behavior? Saren, Mama's gonna get mad. She's gonna come home and do some whoop ass. On me, not you. Come on. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. All right, one more. It's good. Very good. Come on. Oh. Sir. Okay. Needless to say, it's going to be a struggle. We'll see you when you get home. Bye.